In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with Shopify theme development from scratch. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just getting your feet wet, Shopify offers a robust platform to create and customize themes that will enhance both the functionality and aesthetics of your online store. Let's dive in and walk through this process together, step by step. To begin, make your way to the Shopify admin dashboard. This is your control center where you'll manage your store and dive into developing a new theme. Once you're logged in and at the home page, our journey truly begins. From here, look for the menu on the left-hand side. You'll see an option called Online Store. Click on this to unveil more options directly related to your store's presentation and operation. Now, within the Online Store tab, you'll find several options. What you're aiming for here is the Themes section. Clicking on Themes will bring you into the space where all your theme-related tasks can be handled. This is the heart of your store's customization, where you can pick, edit, and manage the themes you're working on. Once you're in the Themes section, you'll notice an option labeled Theme Library. This is where all your installed themes are kept. Click on Theme Library and it will display a list of all themes that are currently available in your shop. This area is particularly useful if you plan on exploring various themes before settling on the perfect fit. It also allows for easy management and switching between different themes without disrupting your live site. But you're not limited just to what's already there. That's where the magic of customization really takes off. Look for the Design Your Store in Seconds option. By clicking this, you're opening doors to quickly and effectively modify and design your store's visual layout. It's a handy tool for creating a professional and appealing seller interface without needing to deep dive into coding. Now, if the default theme options don't suit your taste, there's another door to open: the Theme Store. Click on Visit Theme Store and you'll be greeted by a plethora of both free and premium themes designed to make your shop stand out. This expansive library allows you to browse by style, functionality, and even industry, providing flexibility to choose a theme that aligns with your brand's vision. Remember, developing a theme isn't just about a pretty layout. It's about ensuring your store is intuitive, functional, and aligned with your brand story. Take the time to explore all the options available, try out different themes, and use Shopify's tools to tweak them to best meet your needs. With this guide as your starting point, you're well on your way to creating an exceptional online shopping experience with Shopify. Happy theming!